My location is the gate of our company. It has the logo of our VAS Group on it. Our company is located in Thanh Hoa Province, Vietnam. It is the largest branch of the entire VAS Group. Construction started in 2017. So far, two steel-making lines have been put into operation. During the construction of the steel mill, our rolling mill equipment for rolling steel, it was purchased from Italy. Lifting equipment is from China, purchased by Henan Mine Crane Co., Ltd. There are also some related equipment such as dust removal systems, also imported from China. As of now, all equipment is stable, especially the lifting equipment is of high quality. Hope for the future, our company, able to further cooperate with Henan Mine Group, achieve win-win development. Let the world know about our company. We have purchased a lot of equipment from Henan Mines, mainly door and bridge cranes. There is no problem with it so far, works well. I hope we can strengthen cooperation with Henan Mining in the future. Henan Province Mine Crane Co., Ltd. For the first phase construction project of Vietnam Yishan Iron and Steel Group, 60 devices provided. It has been basically installed. What about behind? It is the use of the self-use wharf of Yishan Steel. Our products received high recognition and praise from customers. The second half of last year, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, established our first after-sales services network. We will establish a second one in the first half of next year, in northern Guangzhou, and so on. We will be in Southeast Asia, forming a sales and service network system to provide customers with better product quality and better service. We will follow the proposal put forward by General Secretary Xi Jinping. Strategic policy for high-quality development of manufacturing industry, responding to the National Belt and Road Initiative. Call China's manufacturing business card Southeast Asia. Go global.